Did you know that by 2024, AI is expected to generate over $1 trillion in new income opportunities? Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of making money with AI and why it's such a hot topic in 2024. Many people think that earning money with AI is either too complicated or only for tech experts, but that's not true. In reality, AI offers opportunities for everyone, regardless of their technical background. There are common misconceptions and challenges that we need to address. For instance, many believe that AI requires advanced coding skills or a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms. However, with the right tools and guidance, anyone can leverage AI to create value and generate income. It's about breaking down these barriers and making AI accessible to all. Let's explore some AI tools and methods that can help you monetize your skills or even create passive income streams. From AI-driven content creation to automated trading systems, the possibilities are endless. Take John, for example. John is a dedicated entrepreneur who has always been passionate about growing his online business. He spends countless hours researching and implementing the latest technologies to stay ahead of the competition. One day he discovered the power of AI and decided to integrate it into his operations. He used AI to automate his online business, streamlining tasks that used to take up most of his time. Within just 6 months, John saw a remarkable transformation. His income doubled, and he was able to focus on more strategic aspects of his business. The AI tools provided him with insights and efficiencies he never thought possible. This is just one of many success stories that highlight the incredible potential of AI. Entrepreneurs from various industries are leveraging AI to achieve unprecedented levels of success and innovation. The future of business is being shaped by these intelligent systems, and the possibilities are endless. As more people embrace AI, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking achievements. To wrap up, AI offers incredible opportunities for income generation. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is transforming the way we work and live. Businesses are leveraging AI to enhance productivity, streamline operations, and create new revenue streams. Don't miss out on this wave of innovation. Embracing AI can give you a competitive edge and open up new possibilities. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or just curious about technology, now is the time to get involved. Leave a comment about your experiences with AI. Share how AI has impacted your life or business. Your insights could inspire others to explore AI's potential. Or check out another video on our channel to learn more. We have a range of content that dives deeper into various aspects of AI, from beginner guides to advanced applications. Stay informed and stay ahead.